Ito ulit. So, yung mga ka-dreamers, papakita natin yung Pogs collection natin. Diyos. Ito, tignan nyo. Coke siya. So, ito. Bundan natin. So, sheesh. Atong Quiapo Pogs.
You're right. Why not the fool? Oh, I sure got my money's worth on that rock cable key. You just couldn't leave.
Ito sa pinakamagandang quality niya.
Free brunch. Congratulations, Sonia. To
Oh,
celebrate.
shit.
Selling your house. Wait, what now?
People are at your house, right?
Tingnan naman yung
Looks like they're
quality
gonna
niya.
buy. Even I know that's not what a happy face looks like. What's wrong?
Check natin sa mga viewers natin.
No, I can't. All this time I thought I wanted peace and quiet, but once I
Manipis
had
siya.
it, I realized how much I.
Manipis siya kaya maganda.
Missed you too,
So,
Mr. Mouse.
ito parang
Wait a minute. Why can't you move back here? There might still be time to stop those fires.
I'll try. I can burn rivers.
So, eto, bali pa lang to yung vlog ko. Kasi magpapahinga muna ako ng pag-vlog. So, goodbye sa inyong lahat. Yung mga ka-dreamers, ang viewers natin. Pero, okay lang.
Well, if you're gonna live here,
So,
you
ito.
should meet your next door neighbors.
Bye-bye.